So let's dive into an incredible important topic, our brain health. As we age, many of us worry about the effects of dementia or cognitive decline. But what if I told you that the food we eat plays a significant role in protecting our brain? So let's explore the science behind our brain health and discover the #1 food that will help prevent dementia and other neurogenic problems. So to understand how food affects our brains, we first have to understand what dementia is. Dementia is an umbrella term for a range of cognitive impairments that interfere with daily life. And the most common type that we hear about is Alzheimer's disease, which is characterized by memory loss, confusion, and changes in our behavior. Physiologically, dementia is associated with degeneration of neurons and a breakdown of communication pathways in the brain. And this accumulation of proteins such as amyloid beta plaques disrupts these pathways, leading to impaired cognition and function. And these changes can start years, even decades before symptoms even appear. So the earlier we can implement protective strategies, the better that we're going to take care of our own brains and bodies. So let's talk about diets. You might be wondering, how does the food we eat impact our brains? Well, the research has shown that certain dietary patterns have a profound effect on our brain health. For example, the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, has been linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline. You see, the brain requires specific nutrients to function optimally, including essential fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Our brains are made up of about 60% fat. Omega-3s play a significant role. That's omega-3 fatty acids, plays a crucial role in maintaining these neuronal structures and functions, making sure that they're functioning correctly. And these fats are so essential for building cell membranes and promoting that communication between those neurons. So what is that #1 food for our brain health? It's fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. And studies have shown over and over that these fatty acids help reduce inflammation. It improves blood flow to the brain and enhances the growth of new brain cells. Let me break it down one more step. DHA, called docosahexaenoic acid, is critical for the structure and function of our brain cells. It supports synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory. Additionally, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, has anti-inflammatory properties that protect against neurodegeneration. And what's interesting is that studies show that a diet rich in omega-3s reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease in our brain by up to 30%. This is due to the role that these fatty acids are promoting cellular health and protecting our brains against oxidative stress. So let's discuss how we can incorporate this fatty fish into our meals. We want to consume it at least twice a week. If you're going to eat grilled salmon, for example, you could marinate those salmon fillets in lemon juice, garlic, and herbs before even grilling it. This is extremely delicious and healthy. You could take sardines, many ways you can prepare it, but sardine salad, you could toss a can of sardines in a mixed salad with cherry tomatoes, olives, and vinaigrette for a quick lunch. Mackerel pasta, you can prepare the whole grain pasta with a light olive oil, garlic for a nutritious dinner option. There's many ways to prepare fatty fishes. And if you're not a fan of fish, you can follow a vegetarian diet. Don't worry, you can still get your omega-3s from your alpha-linolenic acids, your walnuts, your flax seeds, your chia seeds. These plant-based alternatives will still help you. Although, when your body converts those ALAs to those omega-3s, those DHAs that you're trying to get from fish, you're going to get less of it. So here's the bottom line. If you like fish, get that fatty fish in your diet. As we age, it's so critical that we get that DHA, that EPA. Those fatty fishes make a tremendous difference for our brain because our brain is composed of fat too. Our brain function, those neurons, those neurotransmitters all need those omega-3s. And that will prevent many of those neurodegenerative diseases that's so common today. I hope this video serves you well. Please pass it on to a loved one. Leave your comments below. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.